Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to build a site with Weebly. Just click on this right here on a create your website on a weebly.com, and then from in there this will direct you to the next page of this website that will allow you to sign up for SquareUp. Now in here just sign up as usual. Once you have signed up, this will ask you for this right here, if what kind of website. If you want a website with online store or just a website. So just head over and then just choose which one you want for this case, and then just choose a theme that you want. For example, let's create a blog website for this case. Now in here just choose which kind of theme you want to use, and then once you have selected the theme, just click on the start editing right here in order to start editing your actual website. Now in here you can see your actual Weebly editor for this particular case. Now you can choose in here some apps like color block and it will be added, and then just put in here your Weebly name if you want. So let's head over and add in here this, and then for that just click on search and you should be able to see in here some blogs or some domains that you can add. So in here as well, you can actually just do this in here and reload your editor in order to see your actual editor on the Weebly itself. So from in there, just wait for this to finish the loading process. Now you can see it right here. You can add some things like text, titles, images, videos, maps, and the likes for this case. And then once you're done editing, just head over and click on this publish option in order to publish your site with Weebly. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try best to answer. Thanks.